In today's video, I'll show you how to add emphasis in ElevenLabs step by step. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech dashboard. Select the voice you want to use. Next, choose the 11v3 model. Now, enter your text. To add emphasis, rewrite the sentence so the important word or phrase is clear in context. For example, the most important thing is safety. I really need you to listen carefully.
The most important thing is safety.
You can also use emphasis tags when supported by the model. For example, this is very important. I need you to immediately stop. Next, use punctuation to help guide delivery.
This is very
For example,
important. I
this
need
is
you
important.
to stop
This
immediately.
is very, very important. Now open the voice settings. Lower stability slightly to allow more expressive variation. If available, increase style exaggeration to make emphasis more noticeable. Click Generate. Listen to the result and identify whether the emphasized words stand out as intended. If needed, adjust the wording, punctuation, or emphasis tags and generate the audio again. And that's it. You've successfully added emphasis in ElevenLabs. And that's how you add emphasis in ElevenLabs.